Hi guys, so this is the first ever time I'm doing a video on the channel DC Gaming 1. So, people think pranking is fun and good, but I've got a serious prank. Let me just... That's right, I just cracked my nose. But did I? And I can crack my neck. Oh, I didn't know it. Okay, you have to be really good to do this, so do it again. Didn't do it. My finger's in way. My finger. Okay, you do not press it on a surface. And I'm pressing that on my finger. Right. So you can crack it, depends how good you are, you could flick it up. Oh, I've just showed you the prank. Yeah, it's a pen prank. So all you need is to hide a pen, lift the lid up, don't put it on properly yet, just slide it down to make it look like it's closed, and then, not just do that. It'll take about a week to get this sorted. Ah. Oh wow, I didn't even do it properly that time. Okay, you get how you do it anyway. Okay, DC Gaming's 1 is going now.